King Kurus here, your Black History buff. Today, we're sailing with the Windrush Generation, the pioneers who helped rebuild post-war Britain. June 22nd, 1948, the Empire Windrush docks at Tilbury, carrying over 500 passengers from the Caribbean. They came with dreams of a better life and invitations to help the mother country. These newcomers faced a cold welcome both in weather and attitude, but their resilience and determination couldn't be shaken. They worked hard, often taking jobs others didn't want, from nursing to transport. The Windrush Generation didn't just fill labour shortages, they enriched British culture. From music to food, literature to sport, their influence is woven into the fabric of modern Britain. But their story isn't just about contribution. It's about fighting for acceptance, challenging racism, and shaping what it means to be British. The Windrush scandal of 2018 showed us that this fight isn't over. It reminded us of the importance of remembering and honouring this vital part of our shared history. The Windrush Generation's legacy is a testament to resilience, community, and the power of cultural exchange. Their story isn't only Black history, it's British history. We're continuing our 31 Days of Black British History series. Next week, we're diving deeper with exclusive content on Patreon, and it's completely free. Follow and share to keep these important stories alive, and remember to stay blessed.